Hello, this is Matthias. Today I want to explain how to solve this relatively easy Excel BI challenge with PowerQuery. We do have to reverse the rows and also the columns. So, as an explanation, there's not a lot to be done. So, just reversing the rows and also the columns. That's it. Together, that's relatively unusual, but it doesn't make it difficult. It's still worth doing this, and I'm promising you three solutions. So let's start. This time there are no headers. For that reason, I'm going to change this into a range and not a table. Sorry, reverse. That's it. And just quickly check. Yes, there we are. And I will go to the Data tab from Table Range to import it into the PowerQuery editor. Okay, let's start. We go to the Transform tab, Transpose, Reverse, Transpose, Reverse. Done. We are ready. It's super easy, super quick, but I promised you three solutions, so let's go to the second one. I just duplicate this one here, come here to transposed table. That's the second step, and I delete until end. And this will be now the second version. Again, the transform tab, this time reverse, transpose, reverse, transpose. We're done again. So there is no other method quicker than clicking around. And I hope you liked it like this. If not, if you don't like step-by-step solutions, I got something for you as well. So, third solution, I will duplicate again. And this time I go to the advanced editor and I'll start here. I'll write in here source. Change this one here to reversed. Take out everything in between. Repeat this a second time. And then last time. Almost done. Closing the brackets 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And just rename this, and it's reversed. Done. Well, just write in here one line. And we're ready. So, close and load without loading. And one of these solutions I will bring in here to I12. Let's take the first one. Load to as table. Existing worksheet. I said I12. That's it. There's only one thing. If you don't like the headers, just go to the table, then table design, and take out the header row. Looks great. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time.